Hi guys, it's Ray. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing today. I don't know what this is. This is a surprise box to me, but I'm fairly certain because of the box and the way it was shipped through DHL, I'm fairly certain it's Teck Wrap. And I'm fairly certain I know what it's going to be now that I'm thinking about it, but when they dropped it off, I was like, what the heck is that? But it was definitely a surprise to me. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this opened. If I can figure out how this box opens. I mean, it could not be Teck Wrap at all. I honestly don't know. My rep didn't tell me they were sending me something. I'd asked a question about a product, but I'm on the struggle bus hard. Yep, it's Teck Wrap. Cool. Surprise! I think this one's going to be all heat transfer vinyl because the product I asked about was heat transfer. So these look like samples of what, though? And this says sticker vinyl, so I'll have to check that out. Although these don't look like heat transfer, so I'm not sure. These look like foils. Interesting. I'm going to have to get my, yep, this is the regular textured metallic that I love so much. These are just sample 6x6s. This one is HTV. And this one is HTV, but it's like an oil slick. That's cool. And some glitter HTV. Very nice. So, sticker vinyl, 15 pieces. I'm assuming this is just going to be regular vinyl sticker paper. Sure is. Always handy. Glossy white sticker paper. We can definitely use that. Alright, what is this? Transfer tape for vinyl. So, for regular vinyl, this is their transfer tape. Awesome, because I am very low on transfer tape. And this is heat transfer vinyl. This is what I really wanted to try. I wanted to order it for myself. But they sent it to me, so now I don't have to. This is the Puff HTV in Tiffany blue. I've been intrigued by the puffs, and I didn't know they had puff. This is their puff coral pink, puff in black, puff in indigo purple, puff white. I really wanted the white because I love the look of the white puff on a white shirt. Like, I just think it looks very cute. And puff brown. So, those are the puffs. We're going to have to get out the heat press next week and give these a whirl. And this is Teck Wrap Craft Vinyl. This looks like a bigger piece of that oil slick looking stuff. So, bubble-free holographic brown. Of course, we're going to open it because I have to get a look at it. I don't know, this is different. Wow. That is a very cool color. I love it. I don't have anything like that. Holographic burgundy. I also don't have anything like that. Very, very cool. I love it. And this one is holographic olive, which I love their other olive. So, yeah, these are definitely unique colors. I always say that when I see Teck Wrap stuff, that I love them for their unique color palette. You see stuff from them that you never see from other brands. So, we've got some fun things to play with. I will definitely be trying out their transfer tape because, like I said, I'm dangerously low on my good stuff. And the stuff I do have, I don't particularly care for, so. And I have another t-shirt project to do that I'm actually late on, but it's fine. I'm still going to do it. So when I get the heat press out to do that, we are definitely going to do some puff vinyl shirts. And we will definitely check out their sticker vinyl. That's a 15 pack. So that is it in my surprise box. Thank you so much, Teck Wrap. I will put my links for them down below as well. And we will definitely try some of this out in the very near future.